Hello friends, today I'm showing you how to make this delicious slow cooker honey garlic chicken and vegetables. This is such a cozy, delicious meal to make, especially for fall. The flavor of this meal is a hearty combination of sweet, sour, and savory. Let's get started. We're using some colorful carrots, red and yellow gold potatoes for the recipe. We're going to throw the potatoes and carrots into a slow cooker. Add some olive oil, then season them with salt and black pepper. Toss everything together, then set this aside for later. Next, we're going to season some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs with some spices, including garlic and onion powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and black pepper. Season the skin side of the chicken thighs very well, then turn them over and season the underside as well. Once the chicken is seasoned, we're going to sear them, so heat up some olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil gets very hot, add the chicken. Make sure you don't overcrowd your pan, otherwise the chicken will not sear very well. We're going to sear the chicken for 3 minutes on each side. Searing the chicken before putting it in the slow cooker will give the meal extra flavor. Once the chicken is seared, place them on top of the carrots and potatoes in the slow cooker. Next, we're going to make a delicious sweet and tart sauce for the chicken and vegetables. We're adding together some lemon juice, rice cooking wine, honey, soy sauce, some sweet chili sauce, stone ground mustard, some garlic paste, ginger paste, and brown sugar. Mix everything together very well. Then we're going to pour the mixture all over the chicken and vegetables in the slow cooker. This is one of my favorite sauces for slow cooking chicken. Place the slow cooker lid on, then slow cook the chicken and veggies for 4 hours on high or 6 hours on low. About an hour before the chicken is done slow cooking, we're going to thicken all the sauce the chicken has released. So mix some cornstarch and water together, then add it to the chicken and vegetables. Gently mix the cornstarch mixture in with the sauce. Make sure you use the sauce to wash off any cornstarch that's sitting on top of the chicken. Place the lid back on and let the chicken finish cooking. After the chicken has finished slow cooking, the sauce would be nice and thick. This whole meal will make your home smell so good. This part is completely optional, but I put my chicken under the broiler to give it a little bit more color so I could take a better picture, but you guys don't have to do it. You can enjoy the chicken with the potatoes and vegetables, or you can also serve it over some rice. The chicken came out full of the bone tender and melt in your mouth delicious. The potatoes and carrots also came out so soft and they go so well with the chicken. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.